The carnivore diet, as the name implies, consists entirely of consuming meat and other animal products. If it comes from something that could fly, walk, or swim, it's fair game, and you can eat it at any time of day or night. It means that beef, hog, chicken, fish, and turkey are all heavily represented in my refrigerator. That may seem like utopia to many people, but there are certain strict laws in place, even if they are not officially stated. You are severely limited in the types of macros you can concentrate on. So the carnivore diet meal plan may appear to be simpler than you believe. There are no particular guidelines for meal timing or frequency, so you can create your own carnivore meal plan as long as meals include meat, eggs, shellfish, or other animal protein with enough of healthy animal fats. A carnivore diet aims to consume foods that do not induce autoimmune responses, digestive pain, mental health drops, skin breakouts, or other flare-ups of any type. There are various degrees of carnivory within that term. Depending on the circumstances, some people may require a specific combination of meat, salt, and water. Others may feel terrific when they consume eggs and dairy. In this video we will share the carnivore diet benefits, meal plan, how to get started, and the results. Subscribe for more videos about the carnivore diet and fat loss. Let's dive into the benefits of the carnivorous diet. The biggest advantage for people to use the carnivorous diet meal plan is lose of weight. A strict meat diet, like the ketogenic diet, can help you lose weight quicker by converting your primary energy source from carbohydrates to fats. When you're fat adapted, or in ketosis, your metabolism can use both food and stored body fat as fuel. This means that you may use your own body fat as energy. Furthermore, fat and protein are quite filling. You may go for many hours without thinking about food, and studies have shown that becoming fat adapted increases your hunger hormones, allowing you to control your appetite even more. Besides weight loss, the carnivorous diet also reduces inflammation. Consuming carbohydrate-rich diets might aggravate inflammation. Increased inflammatory reactions in the body have been related to vegetable oils, processed meals, and even some plant nutrients. A carnivorous diet may result in fewer aches and pains by reducing inflammation. Extra collagen from protein sources can also help to promote cartilage health. By using the carnivorous diet, you don't have to worry about losing testosterone. During the carnivore diet, testosterone levels have risen. Healthy fats are crucial for proper hormonal activity, including testosterone, and high-fat diets have been demonstrated to increase testosterone levels. Because most people on the carnivore diet will consume more healthy fats and protein, you may see a gain in muscle mass, strength, and energy. Don't worry if you're a lady. The extra fat will balance your hormones, including testosterone, rather than increasing it. Many carnivores report improved focus, vigor, and mental clarity. This is most likely due to carbohydrate restriction, fat adaptation, and running on ketones, fats, for energy. According to research, ketones have neuroprotective effects, and the brain favors fats for energy over carbs. Besides focus, vigor, and mental clarity, the carnivorous diet also improves heart health. I know what you're thinking. How could eating a lot of saturated fat be better for your heart than eating less meat or even being vegetarian? Isn't it common knowledge that obesity and heart disease go hand in hand? As it turns out, there are a few reasons to suspect that this is a myth. One research in particular has turned this hypothesis on its head, pointing the blame at sugar as the primary cause of heart disease. Then there's the so-called Inuit paradox, in which the residents of northwestern Alaska eat almost entirely fat and blubber, with barely a vegetable in sight. Despite this, they have a tenfold lower risk of heart disease. Now that you know all the benefits of the carnivore diet, it is good to know how to start. We wouldn't be fat loss transformation if we kept this hidden. Let's take a look. To start with, we look at how much you need to eat. The easy carnivore diet approach is to eat till you are satisfied. Meat is an excellent filler, and you'll be amazed at how little it takes to keep you going for several hours on the carnivorous diet. This low-carb diet may assist in reducing excess body fat in a short amount of time. According to other dieters, the average carnivore diet meal plan contains roughly 2 pounds of meat each day. It will most likely be much higher during the first month while your digestive system and appetite adjust and you battle other food demands. After you've acclimated, you may start tracking your calories and activities for weight reduction. The dilemma then arises: do you want to grow muscle or simply lose weight? If you go to the gym every day and want to bulk up, 4 or more pounds is not unusual. It's all very well having these quantities, but what exactly do I need to eat? If it is alive and has protein and fat, it will most likely pass the test. This will mostly be a food list of red meat and other meat products, however adding some dairy items is permitted while on an all-meat diet. The list of prohibited items is obviously much larger, and we'll get to it shortly. Here are a couple such examples. Red meats include pork, beef, lamb, and game. Turkey, chicken, fish, and seafood are examples of white meat. Organ meats include liver, kidney, and bone marrow. Chicken, duck, and goose eggs are examples of heart eggs. Butter, cheese, and cream are examples of dairy products. Surprisingly, for the majority of individuals, they will supply all of the nutrients they require, including vitamins, minerals, and protein. The carnivorous diet consists of several meals a day. You now know how much you should eat and what you should eat, but when is the best time to eat? When following a carnivore diet, I normally advocate eating 3 meals each day. Your metabolism will adjust and become more effective at obtaining energy from fats after around 2 weeks. This implies you shouldn't avoid fatty cuts of meat since you'll need to eat animal meat to power your body and brain, just like on a ketogenic diet. Start your day with a protein-rich meal and maintain your protein levels throughout the day. This is especially vital if you're attempting to gain muscle, lose weight, and go to the gym every day. What is the best drink during the carnivorous diet? The easy answer is lots of water. Coffee and tea, including herbal teas, are also okay as long as they are not sweetened with sugar. Any drink containing carbohydrates, such as sodas, fruit and vegetable juices, and energy drinks, should be avoided since they will interfere with your weight reduction goals. Meat cooking techniques. Prepare it in the manner that you choose. Eating a variety of meats throughout the day should not be a hardship. When cooking beef, aim for the medium-rare end of the scale to keep more of the protein intact. If you don't like the slightly bloody effect, start with well done and work your way up to rare over time. From a health and safety standpoint, it is critical to completely cook pig and poultry. Ideally, you should invest in a meat thermometer, such as the ThermoPro TP20, to ensure that all of your meats are cooked to perfection. Many fish are also safe to eat raw, but it may take some getting used to. Try it out, and if you don't like it, adjust the recipe to your preferences. It may sound like a cliché, but a complete carnivorous diet may be scientifically supported. Fatty meat, lean meat, organ meats, fish, and chicken are all high in protein and low in carbohydrates. Regardless of how much energy you require, the body converts all carbohydrates into blood sugar in the now standard Western diet. Any extra glucose is subsequently stored as fat, which is why so many people are obese nowadays. Carnivore diets effectively exclude all carbohydrates, forcing the body to adjust to a different energy supply mechanism. And it does so deftly by entering a condition known as ketosis. Ketones are created by converting dietary and stored fat into ketones, which are a preferred and far more efficient fuel source for physical and mental activities. The truth is that we just don't know whether the carnivore diet has distinct health benefits or whether the disadvantages are exaggerated. What we do know is that the carnivore diet explicitly urges individuals not to eat foods that are scientifically shown to be healthy. A balanced, natural, and organic diet has been proved in research after study to be beneficial. If you want to enhance your health, we recommend following sound guidance before undertaking something as extreme as the carnivorous diet. For example, if you suspect inflammation is a problem, instead of eliminating everything, try a more standard elimination diet that allows for most common foods.